Students, in this video we will learn the screen elements of PowerPoint. So as you can see the picture here, on the top, quick access toolbar, then title bar, minimize button, maximize button, file tab, slides navigation pane, slide, close button, ribbon, placeholder, and status bar. So you can see in the picture, this is highlighted which is the place, which element is in which place that is located. So now you can see first one, you can see that title bar. Okay, where is the title bar? It appears on the top of the screen. Okay, that is appearing on the top of the screen. You can see the title bar. Title bar displays the name of the presentation on which you are currently working. So currently working means as you have opened the PowerPoint, so you are making the presentation. So that is a currently working. So that is displaying the name of the presentation. It contains minimize, maximize, and close button on its right side. So you can see on the right side minimize button, maximize button, and close buttons. Quick access toolbar also appears on the title bar. So you can see on the top quick access toolbar. So let us understand what is quick access toolbar. It is present on the title bar. It helps us to do common tasks like save, undo, redo, and slideshow with just one click. So quick access toolbar is present on the title bar. That is helping us to do common tasks like save. You can see the save button, undo, redo, and slideshow with just one click. And you can see the ribbon. Ribbon is left side, there is highlighted. Ribbon contains two parts, tabs and groups, and each tab contains commands arranged in different groups. So you can see the picture of ribbon, tabs, for example, file, home, insert, design, transition. So these are tabs name, and groups names under the home tab, clipboard, slides, font, paragraph, drawing, voice. These are the groups names. Okay, so in the ribbon we have tabs and groups. Each tab contains commands arranged in different groups. Next one, you see file tab. It is a tab located at the upper left corner of the Microsoft PowerPoint 2016 screen. When you click the file tab, you see the Microsoft Office Backstage view. Backstage view shows the set of commands used to manage a presentation like creating, saving, opening, printing, and so on. So here you can see in the picture file tab. Okay, so you see that is file tab. So once you click that, you will get the different options on the backstage view. What are the options we get? Creating, saving, opening, printing, and so on. And the next one is status bar. Or let us see what is the work of status bar. You see in the picture, it displays the current slide number, total number of slides, and the view buttons. So status bar displays the current slide number, total number of slides, and view buttons. The next comes rulers. So you can see the numbers in the rulers. Rulers are vertical and horizontal guides. You use them to determine where you want to place an object. So this is used to determine or fix the place where you want to place the object or keep the object. Object means any pictures. The next one, placeholder. It holds the objects in your slide. You can use a placeholder to hold text, pictures, and charts. So as you can see in the picture, placeholder, how does it look? You can see in between, click to add title. So placeholder holds the object on in your slide. So what are the things we can add or hold? Placeholder is holding text, pictures and charts. The next point is slide. What is a slide? Already we had seen. A slide represents a page in a presentation that displays information. So whatever page we see in the presentation, that page is called a slide. That page is called slide. A slide represents a page in a slides. The next one, slides navigation pane. So we will understand slides navigation pane. It is located at the left side of the presentation window. Where is the left pane? Okay, left side. It is located at the left side of the presentation window. It shows the slides in thumbnail view. So it is showing the slides in thumbnail view. So that is about slides navigation pane. So I hope all of you have understood the screen elements of MS PowerPoint. Thanks for watching.